Hey, it's Jen
and Shanna from Tarte Cosmetics,
and we are so excited to bring you our current Desert Island faves. We're going to share with you. Shanna's actually going to go first and take you through hers. Shanna, tell us what it is.
So this is a Shape Tape Concealer. Guys, if you don't know about this, I don't know what to tell you. This is a true game changer. So this is our Shape Tape Concealer, but I'm going to show you what a powerhouse this is and why I can't live without it, but why it's also my Desert Island product. So I'm just going to do half of my face so you can see what a difference this makes. So I'm going to start under my eye area. You can see that I have some darkness, I have some imperfections, but no need to worry because Shape Tape has got you covered. I'm actually just going to take it everywhere because why not? I feel like you can use it as a foundation too.
So many people do.
It really is great. Like I have enlarged pores, so I feel like it just really smooths everything over and gives you like that airbrush look, or like that look that your skin is flawless, but it's actually not. But no one needs to know, right?
It already looks incredible. Look at that.
Right? And this is why I can't live without it. Look at that. I mean, I'm just using a wet sponge, so no need to worry about that, but we give you that tool. And so look at how beautiful that is. So again, just using a wet sponge, blending it in.
It looks
good to go.
So good. Look at that. Look at that before and after side by side right there. Holy Toledo. You look beautiful.
And no one would know because it doesn't really look like you're wearing a heavy cakey mask or anything. And it has shea butter in, which Jen, I mean, conditions, mango seed, and really that's why I love it. But you can even see I even put it over my eyelids too.
I love it. I actually do use that as an eyelid primer for shadow, and I love it. I think it works amazing as a primer. Look at that coverage, though. You are beautiful, and in your before, I see on the one side there's some redness, some dark circles, but you're still beautiful.
We're all human, right?
But look at the other side. Oh my gosh, it's like
isn't that
instant
crazy?
Transformation.
It's amazing. And then if you're looking for something I feel like this is perfect for summer, the Glow Wand. Yep. Because it just feels so lightweight, but it gives you that lit from within glow. So it's not sparkly highlighter. This has, diamond complex in it. So it's just going to diffuse the light.
Where do you apply it? Because I know
so I'm just going to put a little bit on the cheekbone, but I feel like don't be scared. I'm going to put a little on the inner corner of my eye too. And then if you have any other imperfections, and then what I also love about this is that it comes on the bottom here. You'll see it has this little blender. So you don't have to worry about it. Just pop this off and then just blend it where you need to. So just add a little bit of brightness, a little bit of lift. Can you see that glow though? It's just so pretty. And then no one needs to know that you have this on. It just blends so seamlessly, diffusing. But look at that brightness.
Look at you look instantly radiant and awake. Look at that.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
And so I know that highlighting and contouring and all that stuff, throw it out the window. Just put this where you want to see a little bit more lift, a little bit more brightness, and you're good to go.
I love that. And I know you can mix that in with your moisturizers and wear it alone if you want, but I love what you're doing. That's exactly how I would wear it too. I like to just put under here to kind of brighten and illuminate.
So now I'm just going to finish the other side. Easy peasy. All right, so I'm just finishing up the other side, but look at what a difference that made. This is why I'm telling you, this is my Desert Island. I cannot live without. I mean, this is like a power couple right here, honestly.
Love it.
Shape Tape Concealer and the Glow One. But Jen, tell me what your favorite is. Now, I know we talked about mine. I kind of got out of control, talked about 3 different products. But...
Yes. So I love our Lights Camera Lashes mascara. It's near and dear to my heart. It's been, my go-to for years since I started working here. But I've been reaching for every single day our brand new Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. I just love this. It literally transforms my lashes. I want you guys to see because it is incredible. It has a flake-free, smudge-proof wear. I'm going to come in. Can you see me right here?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want you to see. Look at this. Look at that. Is that not incredible? I'm going to do the bottom now.
It's actually amazing.
Real. I love this. This is my summer mascara. I've just been using it all the time. And I love our Lights Camera Lashes too. It's still near and dear to my heart. But this one is just an instant transformation. And I can't get over it. I am scared of lash curlers. So I need these tips and mascaras that just...
I think we all are at this point.
Yeah, I need something that's going to do the curling for me, and here it is. Look at that.
That's incredible, Jen. I mean,
like,
I have to tell you, I've been reaching for it too, and it's because of those results. Because I thought it was just me, but now that I'm seeing it on you too, Jen, I can see that this is actually just an amazing mascara. And again, like you said, those plant waxes, the algae, so you're treating your lashes while you're wearing it, which I think is so important because, you know, let's face it, our lashes are hair, right? So like you wouldn't, I mean, I wouldn't, at least, I don't know, but you wouldn't just get out of the shower without conditioning your hair, putting some form of conditioning on it, right?
Never.
Exactly. So like that's why I think this is just such a unique, you know, formula and product, because look at those results, but you would never know that you're getting it with, you know, algae, marine plant extracts. Jen, it's incredible.
I'm
I have
obsessed.
to say.
Yep. So every single day, this has been my makeup bag. I am reaching for this. I'm loving it because, like you said, it's nourishing. It's like a deep conditioning mask for your lashes. But look how it just transformed them right
It's
before your eyes.
amazing. It's crazy.
Unreal. It just lifted them up, opened them up, but it also separated them. Notice they don't look like clumpy, cakey, or spidery. They just look so natural and long. And that's why I love this mascara.
It looks so beautiful on you, I have to say.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You look gorgeous too. Your skin is glowing. My lashes are touching sky. Look at us. We are ready to go. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. This was so much fun.
And stay tuned because we have so many more videos to come.
Bye.
Bye.